Hey everyone, and welcome back to Immigration Insight. We hope today is going well for you. Understanding DAMA. A Designated Area Migration Agreement, DAMA, is a formal agreement between the Australian government and a local state or territory government. Did you know about it? Under the DAMA, employers in some places can bring in skilled and semi-skilled foreign workers to fill jobs they can't find locally. It is specifically made to deal with current and growing labor market shortages, as well as the terms and conditions of work in the area. Current DAMA agreements. There are 12 DAMA deals in place right now in the following areas: Townsville, Goulburn Valley, Great South Coast, Kimberley Far North Queensland, Orana, Pilbara, South Australia Regional, Southwest, the Goldfields, and Kimberley Far North Queensland. Basis of DAMA. The Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, labor agreement stream is what DAMA is based on. A Subclass 482 visa is given to workers after a work contract has been signed by both the employer and the Australian government. Key elements of DAMA. What are the most important parts? 1. Ways for people with a DAMA visa to become permanent residents. 2. Lots of jobs that need both trained and semi-skilled people, but can't find enough of them. 3. English skills and how much people get paid for different jobs. 4. A number of risk and honesty steps to make sure that the rights of both employees and employers are protected. 5. Age adjustment. 6. A 5-year contract, etc. Arrangements for changes. For each DAMA region, certain vocations may be subject to adjustments. These changes could be about pay, work experience, language skills, and other things. Show proof of skills or experience. If the job is on the short-term skilled occupation list, the medium-term strategic skills list, or the regional occupation list, the person applying for the visa must show the same level of training and experience as the employer. Compliance and regulations. Many people can get some changes, but they have to be in line with the normal Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, and Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186, visa programs. However, a skill level 1 to 3 visa applicant who wishes to work in any DAMA occupation that is not included on the Australian government's list of short-term skilled occupations, long-term strategic skills, or regional occupations must: 1. Ensure completion of a skills verification from the designated DAMA area. 2. Call for a skills evaluation from the appropriate skills evaluating body. 3. Adhere to ANSIESCO's definition of skill level. 4. Possess the post-qualification experience outlined in each DAMA area's guidelines. The DAMA program does permit the nomination of specific and general skill level 4 jobs in certain of the 7 DAMA zones stated. What are the requirements? Both the applicable DAMA agreements and the Department of Home Affairs have some policy standards. Some of these requirements include the conditions for nomination and sponsorship in Subclass 482, which are applicable to all 3 streams of Subclass 482. Make sure that the nominated occupation is included as an occupation that the party to the labor agreement may nominate in the applicable labor agreement. The Department of Home Affairs must be convinced that any requirements stipulated in the labor agreement have been met, if those requirements are ones that the party to the labor agreement is required to meet. And 3. Fewer nominations must be granted for the nominated occupation than were authorized by the applicable labor agreement for the given year. Pathway to permanent residency. Following acceptance of the Subclass 482 visa and a certain period of employment under the Subclass 482 visa, there may be a road to permanent residency under the Subclass 186 scheme, pending fulfillment of the requirements and availability. That's all there is to this video. Please let us know what you think in the comments. To get the latest news on jobs and immigration, don't forget to like, follow, and turn on the bell. Thank you for watching. Have fun.